Hey guys, Chris from Flow Brackets. Now, import cars. We're starting to see more and more import cars like this E-Class Mercedes imported from Japan, and they have a different mounting solution, which obviously doesn't work here. So we've come up with a range of products to suit an E-Class imported from Japan. Let's get into it. So the Mercedes Japanese import had the import box, or the Japanese box, which has been removed from the car. So now we need to replace it with something so we can mount a number plate. So we have a Plinth delete kit for the Japanese import E-Class. Just fits up like that, mark your holes, drill. If you have an Australian delivered car, we'll also have a Plinth delete kit for that as well, and I'll show you how to put these on. So the two versions are very similar. It's just that for Japanese cars, the factory hole is a different location. So the difference at the back is just the locating pins, so just make sure you grab the right one to suit your car. Installation is quite easy. Just line up the little knob with the hole. There's also little legs on the bottom, so it helps you level. So line that up, that self-centers, mark it with a texter or Sharpie, and then pilot the hole before putting your screws in. Now that you have the plinth on the car, it's time to choose the number plate bracket. So what you got to do, being a two-part mounting solution, is to grab a number plate bracket to suit your number plate style. For example, I've got a slimline plate. If I was to put this on, I'll grab a slimline bracket. In this car, we're going to put Victorian signature plates, and I've got a signature bracket here. I'll just pick one of the slots to match up with one of the thread on the plinth, and I'll get that put on the car, followed by the plate. Have it. That's how you get a number plate on an E-Class Japanese import. Now this plinth will work on the AMG line bumper, E43 and E53, and we will be expanding our import mounting solutions for import cars, especially Mercedes. So I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.